curly hair gives you a gorgeous look if you can maintain your curls perfectly. Taming curly hair is not an easy task, and if your hair is already dry and frizzy, you know that struggle is real. There are different types of curly hair, and each type of hair needs its own kind of product. Ensuring a good product for your curls is important, as it will enable you to manage your hair easily. There are many products available in the market for managing and defining your curls, but it's important to select a product based on necessity of your hair. So in today's video, we came up with the 5 best products for curly hair, which will define your curls and keep them fresh, healthy, and gorgeous all day long. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your curly hair, the Moroccanoil Curl Defining Cream might be a great option for you. It promises to define your curls while hydrating your hair, giving you a gorgeous style whenever you want. This cream is enriched with argan oil, polyquaternium 11, and hydrolyzed vegetable protein. Argan oil is rich in vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants, and it helps to nourish your hair. Polyquaternium 11 is an anti-static agent which forms lightweight film around your hair to hold the curls. Hydrolyzed vegetable protein helps in coating porous strands and split ends. This product features an advanced heat-activated technology. This technology provides a curl memory factor which fights frizz and gives you great curls. The cream works great on your curly hair. It nourishes your hair deeply and makes your hair frizz-free. It also increases your natural curl texture and softens your hair as well. The Moroccanoil Curl Defining Cream is a popular product which has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this product gives you manageable, hydrated curls and makes your hair feel great. But some users complain that the product smells unpleasant and it might leave residue. How to use? Let's check out the ratings. Add extra bounce to your curls and achieve a silky perfection with the OGX Moroccan Curling Perfection Defining Cream. The exotic Moroccan argan oil in this cream makes your hair frizz-free. It renews your curls and protects your hair from the damage caused by heat styling and UV rays. The oil also defines your curls and makes them bouncy and shiny. This cream moisturizes your hair and revives hair strands. It also tames flyaways effectively, and it strengthens and improves the elasticity of your hair while taking care of your curls. This curling perfection cream is suitable for all hair types. It's free from sulfates and parabens. The OGX Moroccan Curling Perfection Defining Cream is a great product, and it's earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product because it doesn't make your hair crunchy and it works great on your curls, but some of them complain that they didn't get their expected outcomes. How to use? It's time to rate this curly hair product. Our next product is a shampoo from SheaMoisture, which is perfect for your curly hair. This coconut hibiscus curl and shine shampoo from SheaMoisture promises to give you manageable hair while giving you shiny and bouncy curls. It contains coconut oil, silk protein, neem oil, and organic shea butter. Coconut oil hydrates and protects your hair and reduces hair breakage. Silk protein makes your hair smooth and gives a shiny feel. Neem oil controls the frizz and also gives a brilliant shine. It's a sulfate-free shampoo, which cleans your hair and scalp, and it removes impurities. This shampoo hydrates your hair and improves elasticity, and it also reduces breakage and split ends. This shampoo is free from harmful ingredients, and it gives you naturally fragrant, healthy waves and curls. The SheaMoisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, users love this product as it works great on curly hair and leaves hair perfectly healthy. But some of them said that their hair felt a little greasy after using the shampoo. How to use. Time to check out the ratings. After applying a mask or cream on your curly hair and cleaning your hair with a shampoo, the next step is drying your hair perfectly for achieving beautiful curls. The DevaCurl DevaTowel Anti-Frizz Microfiber Towel is especially made for your curly hair, which cares for your curls while drying them. It's made of high-quality microfiber fabric. Microfiber has a smooth and absorbent texture, which doesn't rough up your curls. It absorbs excess moisture and enhances curl shape, giving your curls more definition and less frizz. DevaTowel is better than a terry cloth, as terry cloth can disrupt curls by creating frizz. It's also better to choose this towel rather than a t-shirt because the towel dries your hair more efficiently. You can wash this towel in machine, but it's better to hang it for drying. It also includes a loop to hang it on for easy drying. This towel absorbs just enough water to define your curls perfectly. The DevaCurl DevaTowel Anti-Frizz Microfiber Towel earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. This towel dries hair fast and works great on curly hair, but some users said that the towel is a little too small, which causes problems. How to use. Time to check out the ratings. Giving your curly hair the best treatment includes products like hair masks, shampoo, hair oils, and many more. To maintain the perfect curl, good hair oil can be a lifesaver. What if you can achieve 25 types of benefits from a single drop of oil? Wondering how? Well, the Mizani 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil is here to give you that miraculous result. It has 25 benefits in a single drop. It's a multitasking oil which penetrates deeply and absorbs instantly to give you the best frizz-free curls ever. It comes with a 99% biodegradable formula containing the goodness of coconut, olive, sunflower, and jojoba oils. This lightweight oil locks in moisture and adds shine. If your hair is dull, this oil will restore natural shine and remove dryness. It's suitable for all texture types. This oil is safe for color and makes your hair more manageable. The Mizani 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil is a great product which has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. According to the reviews, this works great and makes your hair smooth, shiny, and frizz-free, but some users were not satisfied with the product. How to use. Let's check out the ratings. So those were our top 5 curling products. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.